Hey guys, welcome back. It's Matt here, and first off, I just want to say we're almost at 40,000 subscribers, so if you guys could hit subscribe, that would really help me out. And if you could also go and like the video, leave your comment, maybe you found some good apps, or you found the video helpful, that would be extremely appreciated. But without further ado, we're going to go into the top 10 Android apps of December for 2019. Okay, first app on the list is called Arrive. This is a really great package tracker. It's especially useful if you get lots of packages and you don't have time to try and manually go ahead onto the official website and view the tracking information. This basically scans through your emails, grabs the tracking number, and it automatically imports it with all the tracking information and product information as well, which is super handy. And the app's pretty minimalistic. It categorizes them, puts them in order. If it doesn't find them, you can actually go ahead and manually insert them from your email. It has the ability to go ahead and search for your products. So if you forgot about something or you're curious where something is specifically, you can go ahead and search for it. If it doesn't actually track it successfully and it doesn't mark it as delivered, you can go and manually do that so that it doesn't automatically stay on your main feed. And it supports a whole variety of different carriers as well. So you're going to have no issue no matter who your package is being delivered with. Up at number 2 is Face Notify. Now this is a feature that the iPhones had for a while that I really wish had come to Android. It's partially to do with security, but also it's just really handy. So basically when you're on the lock screen, it will show no notifications, or you can simply go ahead and hide the content of those notifications. And as soon as you actually go ahead and place your face in view and it unlocks, then it will go ahead and display the notifications. So super handy if someone else picks up your phone, they can't read your messages, they can't find the reset code for your passwords, and they can't actually go ahead and reply to any of those messages or anything like that. So super handy that it hides them all. It's much more secure. I think Android should definitely have this feature built in. And you do need to use some ADB commands, so you'll need to go into developer options and you'll need to enable USB debugging. But there'll be a link down below in order to help guide you through. It's not too difficult. You can choose how fast it pops up as soon as it recognizes your face, and also the type of information that shows from the notifications. So there's a lot of customization, and it's a great app, and I would say it's definitely a must-have. The app up next is called WannaKicks. This is a great app for trying on various different types of shoes. It has a bunch of different sneakers in the app, and you can go ahead and scroll through them all, select which one you want, and it will go ahead and virtually put the shoe on your foot. You can move your foot around, you can take a photograph, and it's just pretty nice being able to see what the shoe will look like on your actual feet. And they don't look too bad. It actually doesn't look that unrealistic, but again, it's just for reference to kind of visualize how they would look with your style. But definitely really nice app. It also allows you to officially go to the website to buy them by clicking on the actual shoe. Next up is CleanFast. I've been moving away from using these cleaning apps for my phone. However, I had a clutter of APKs from various different apps I've downloaded, and also a bunch of just random junk files that I have in my downloads folder and all throughout my device from apps that I've uninstalled. And I really just wanted to find a simple app that would just go ahead and remove all those. And this is the one that I found. It's very minimal. It's easy to use, it's straightforward. It doesn't have fake options like cooling your device and a million different options that you can tweak. It's just very simple, clean, to the point. And it can also free up RAM by closing apps in the background. It also has a hibernation mode, so if there's some apps on your device that are using up an extraordinary amount of power, you can go ahead and put those to sleep. I think it's a great app. Let me know your thoughts, but let's just jump on to the next one. And this one is called dscout. So this is one where people make requests and they want users to actually go ahead and try their product or give them feedback on something or answer some questions. And it will tell you basically what they want in terms of they want video, they want some responses to questions, or they want to call you up and ask you something. It will also tell you a price, as yeah, they do pay you. They pay you up to $7,500 a pop, so pretty handy if you want to get some extra income. And it pays straight through PayPal immediately. So it's especially useful. I've only done one of these, and the pay does vary depending on the thing you do, but if you answer some questions and take a phone call for 15-20 minutes, you can easily earn $75, $100. So if you guys want to help a company out, definitely recommend this app. Up next is Parkopedia. If any of you guys are visiting big cities or you live in one and you constantly are having struggles parking, this is a great one. It finds all the local parking spots which are free or low priced, and you can go and enter when you will arrive there, which vehicle you're driving, whether it's a tall vehicle, whether you want free parking, and where it's located, all that stuff. So you can simply put that in, sort it by location, find the cheapest car park or the free one, and you can go ahead and park there and simply walk to your destination, and you don't have to pay extortionate prices for city car parks. So really nice app for saving some money. Next up is PowerShade. I've shown this off a bunch, but I feel people are really pushing towards Android 10 and that new stock minimal notification shade, and I really do like this app. It's based on Android P. It's super smooth and silky, and there's lots of customization options for changing the color as well as the layout. You can enable various different options and tweak the way the notifications show. You can change the shape of the actual toggles. So there's lots of things you can customize. It's super stealthy with black, and I like the ability to customize the color choice. Personally, I just really like the way the stock notification panel looks. And if you have a device which has One UI, or it has the LG skin or Sony skin, and you don't want that, you can go ahead and get this. It's free, and it will allow you to get the official stock notification panel. You're welcome. Now, this one is a bit new to the Play Store. It's a game, it's called Minecraft Earth. It's based off of Minecraft. It's kinda as if someone mixed Pokemon Go with Minecraft. You walk around to locations, you can mine, you can build there, other people can see the things you've built, and it uses AR to actually plot a block on the ground, and that block has all of the things you build on it, so animals or your house or whatever. So you can go ahead and build or mine on that using the tools you've collected or the actual resources you have. So super cool if you're into Minecraft and you like that Pokemon Go feel, you want to get out and about, then it's definitely cool to check out or even just try. Up next is Memorigi. This one reminds me of Google Tasks, but it's just a little bit nicer and a little bit different. It just has a bit more functionality to it, but it's also super simple. It's got your various reminders on the home screen when you open it up. You can go ahead and create a new reminder. You can obviously set the name, the date, the time when you want to be reminded. You can go ahead and add a color choice and also some various other information if you want as well. You can categorize it. And at the top here, this is how it looks. You can go ahead and say it's completed, remind yourself later, and you can actually put these in various different folders. So the folders can be based on your job, money, fun. If you want to remind yourself to do some meditating or something like that, you can easily put it in a folder and everything will be nice and organized. You can go ahead and view a calendar, so you can go and scroll through and find all the things that you want to do on each day. And then you have a progress page as well, which shows you all the things you've successfully completed and all the things that you haven't completed that you need to work on. A bonus is there is a dark mode, and you can customize a lot of things in this app in terms of how they work. But it's a great reminders app that I've been using this month, and I definitely would recommend it to you guys. Now, last on the list is Wall X. A lot of you guys have probably already commented down below asking about what my wallpaper is, and I actually went ahead and got it from this app. So it has some super crispy wallpapers. It's a really minimal app. It does have some ads in it, but you can go ahead and easily select a wallpaper, and then you can go ahead and apply it or save it. Really easy, and there isn't any favorites or any bulk or anything like that. So if you don't remember the wallpaper and where it is, you might lose it. But they are really, really nice. And if you don't want to pick the app up, I will still leave a link down below to my wallpaper. But there's a randomized section, a category section, where you can go ahead and actually view all the abstract wallpapers, or you can go ahead and view the best in the community or the top ones rated in this whole month. So this is my favorite apps for the month. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe and tell me your thoughts down below. And if you didn't enjoy, don't forget to hit the dislike button twice. Peace out, guys, and I'll see you later.
My own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in